Now I'll show you how to make a Figma website. Now what I want you to first do is either click here on design or you can click here on site and it would open up a new site for you. Now by default, they go ahead and give you this right here. This is the blank website. They have a desktop view, a mobile view, and of course you can add more views as well. For example, tablet or even a custom one to see what that would look like. Then after that, you can just come here, click on insert. If you want to insert pages, you can go ahead and get them from here. As you can see, landing pages, portfolio pages, you can just go ahead and insert them. And if you insert anything in the primary, it would update in the tablet and mobile one as well. And you can go ahead and preview them just by coming here and clicking on full preview. You can just play that and you will see what it would look like. So this is the desktop version. As you can see, you can switch over to tablet and mobile one as well. So I'll come back here and of course you can just double click here and edit anything. They also have navigation options here. As you can see, you can go ahead and add those. You can name your website, you can add some heroes, some features here. As you can see, many different options. You can go ahead and create a CMS and connect that. You can add embeds, for example, YouTube, Google Maps. You can also go ahead and add some forms if you want. And here you can go ahead and create your own team libraries as well. Here you can go ahead and create different components. And by coming here to settings, you can go ahead and add some metadata for your site. And also come here, click on domains and connect it to your domain. Of course, once you go ahead and publish your site. So of course, everything here is fully editable and then you can start to publish it.